would you do? Imagine this, you suddenly lose everything, your money, your name, your reputation. You have bills piled high and people harassing you for money over the phone. And all you have left is a ClickFunnels account and internet access for 30 days. What would you do from day number 1 to day number 30 to save yourself? It's an interesting question, isn't it? Now, I'm sure if I asked that to 100 different people, I'd get 100 different answers of what might work. But what about people who had already done it? People who started from nothing, actually created a ClickFunnels account, and eventually made it. What would they do? They each had already lived it. What would they do if they just start over again right now? I decided to run an experiment. I sent out emails to over 100 people, but not just any people who had actually already won a 2 Comma Club award, meaning they made at least $1 million inside of a single sales funnel. I want to know exactly what they would do to get back on top. Day number 1, what would you do? Day number 2, day number 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way up to day number 30. If you had to start over again today with just your marketing and your funnel building skills, what would you do to get back into the 2 Comma Club again? From the 100 emails I sent, only 30 people responded back. They each of them sent me a detailed step-by-step process of what they would do, starting with no product, no list, no traffic, no funnel, and then detailing exactly what they would do and why they would do it in a simple step-by-step process. Each of their 30-day plans was so different that each of them led you on a path of absolute certainty to success. I honestly don't know how anyone armed with any of these 30-day plans could possibly not succeed. Everyone who's ever tried to make money online needs to see these experiments. Anyone who's ever had a ClickFunnels account now has execution plans to get them back on top. Just pick any of them and follow the path from where you are today all the way to the stage where you'll receive your 2 Comma Club award at Funnel Hacking Live. Finding success with ClickFunnels is no longer a matter of luck. It's an absolute certainty.